Don't think about it and put it in. I'm hard. 6, 7.
6, 7. Oh, hell no. Hello.
Hello. Do you want to sit here? Okay.
Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Thank you.
That's better, this chair.
Nah, this one is better. Why are you lying? This one is actually
Okay. Alright, we do hot chip.
You first go with the easy one, okay?
Thanks Hugo for saving my dog the other day, kleiner als 3.
Thank you for saving my dog the other day, they say.
Okay.
Skinhead.
Alright, you have to put it on. Is it left or is it also right?
I think it doesn't matter. We just spent a couple of minutes without the stream.
Alter.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Das war wirklich... Wir waren das erste Mal off-stream. Bruder, Totenstille. Totenstille. But...
we were silent.
Yeah.
We didn't say a single word, you know?
You say the single word. I tried to...
What? You just said, are you muted? Are you muted again? That's what he said. Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Oh, that looks crazy. That is crazy.
Okay, easy peasy. Warming up. Let's go. Are you nuts? What the fuck?
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Alter, ich kann Bock auf die Scheiße. Alright. Then.
You first.
Naja.
Hugo, you're a gentleman.
But that's easy peasy.
Hugo, can we show that on stream?
Ja. Also es gibt leicht, dann wird's höher und dann geisteskrank.
Thank you for borrowing me your private jet yesterday.
Okay, ich mute jetzt auch die Donations, sonst fucken die ab.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think? They just said that you have a private jet. That's kind of...
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then I let it on.
They do good for you.
Okay.
Let's go. Do you want together?
It's easy peasy.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay. Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go.
You have it in your fucking arm right now. You little piece of shit.
Okay.
Put it in. I don't, okay.
It's nothing. Oh! No, it's okay. It's nothing.
That's not bad.
It's ganz mini.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Okay, oh. But do you swallow?
Yeah, should I have not?
It's a little bit...
You swallow?
Yeah, but it's...
Open the mouth. Open the
No,
mouth.
as well as I don't have it. It's
it.
a little bit...
Prove it.
It's a little bit, you know?
Okay.
It's... Ey, das ist schon ein bisschen scharf.
Okay, next one.
Don't find it spicy?
No.
Okay.
Now it's getting warmer.
Okay, warming up. Alright. Second one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Make a toast.
A toast?
Yeah, a toast. Do you know what toast is?
No.
Okay. Like you make like a wish. Like why
What do you think of him?
Okay.
Not if you like him.
Okay. Okay. I have a wish. You too?
You have to say it out loud.
Oh. No.
Okay, whatever. That doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go.
Okay.
Why you don't want to put it first? Like you really...
I hate these spicy things. I hate it.
Yeah, but you still anyway will have to eat it. So you gotta anyway put it in your
Okay,
mouth.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hugo, please hold yourself. You're a Sigma. You are him. You're a man. Swallow it.
Yeah,
Swallow it. Hugo, don't. Hugo.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Don't take it serious.
Yeah, I take it.
Put yourself together.
I need milk.
Where are you going?
No, I take milk. I have it. I swallow it.
Okay.
I need milk.
I thought he's gonna, puke it out. He's gonna and remove it away from him. Crybaby, yeah, absolutely. He needs some. Nuke is cheating. He kind of does cheat a little bit, yeah, because it's not even that spicy. I mean, I feel the burn and the mouth, but it's not that bad.
Pussy.
I agree completely. I think he's a little bit of a pussy. Just a little bit though. Actually, I feel right now the hit. Wait, hold on. That's okay. I got this. I'll be strong for Hugo. Hugo, where the fuck are you? Okay, Hugo, I'll be strong for you. Is it that bad?
It's not that bad, but
Bro, we just started.
Yeah, I know, but it's not that bad, but I don't want to multiply it, you know? I want to reset it.
Alright.
Okay, then third one. Okay.
Is there anything you would like to say in case something happens?
No, it happens nothing, you know?
You sure?
Yeah. It's just the third one.
Yeah, so?
Okay, then.
You sure there's nothing you would like to save in case, like, imagine something happens and then you will not be able to say that anymore?
It's okay. I am man, you know.
Jesus, Hugo, you're stupid. Okay, cheers. You're strong. Don't act like that. You're strong.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. Hold on. Hold yourself. Swallow it. As soon as you swallow, it's better. Don't even think about throwing up. Don't. Oh my god. Don't throw up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so bad. It is so bad, bro. That is so bad. Wait, with ice cream it's better. You're gonna.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Okay. I have it on my teeth.
Okay. But is it good for you? Do you?
No, it's
hard?
so bad.
Okay.
But I hold it.
Okay, we have two more. We have two more.
You have.
What? You don't eat it?
That's too much.
What? Was? You don't eat this?
I will eat it.
Yeah. Okay.
For you, okay?
Okay. Thank
But
you.
I will actually puke if I eat it.
Yeah. I get.
What does it say?
I guess the next one I puke.
You puke?
I told. Yeah.
Don't.
No. The next one is.
No, but just don't.
Okay. I try.
You try.
I try for you.
Aww.
But when I puke.
It's gonna be minus aura. You sure you wanna lose it?
Okay, let's eat it.
It burns in my mouth. This is crazy. It's in my. Hugo, really try to keep yourself together.
Yeah.
Don't think about it too much. If you puke, you can't.
Yo, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Don't puke, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just don't puke anything.
I'm a
but
man.
not puke.
No, I don't take the big one. Okay.
It's so hot.
Just don't think about it and put it in.
And then what? Swallow?
No.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean.
Absolutely.
Okay. Then.
You sure?
Yeah.
Like 1,000%?
Yeah, we have just this and then another one and then it's finished. But the next level is, are you nuts?
Are you nuts?
Yeah. I think I swore. Oh hell no.
Oh hell no.
Please.
What?
Please, my heart rate goes up. Please.
You first.
Ladies first.
Oh, you're such a gentleman. For real.
No problem.
Damn, he's such a gentleman for real. Okay, I'll eat it. If I will not make it tomorrow, I want to say one thing to you. Is that
6-7.
6-7. Hold it, Hugo. Hugo, hold it. Hugo, hold it. Do not think. Just be easy. Be easy on that. Oh my fucking god, my mouth burns. Oh god. Hugo. No. Aura. Hugo. Jesus. Hugo, don't think about it. Hugo, no. Oh. Hugo, go away. Go away, Hugo. You're disgusting. You're hella disgusting.
Oh, please.
Go in the toilet. In the toilet. Just in the toilet. Oh my god. That is so bad. Hugo.
What? I don't puke.
Don't puke.
I don't puke.
I don't puke. Hugo, that's so bad. We are not gonna make it for the next one. I swear.
Oh fuck.
That is so bad.
Oh.
Don't push it away from you. Don't push it away. Don't.
What? Push away.
You're like, you do that on purpose.
No.
That.
I swear to God. I hate this. Oh my god. The hard part is when I swallow it, the you know,
Okay.
are my eyes red?
Yes.
But you tank it like a god.
My what?
Like you tank it like a man, you know? Like you are strong.
I told you I'll do that.
Yeah. I'm also
Oh my god.
okay,
That's bad.
let's do the last one. Because now it's burning like 20 minutes. I know this. I eat 3 times the hot chip. I know this.
Hugo, I was wondering if I can also have a little bit of yogurt.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
But it's a bit burning in my mouth too. Like crazy.
I have also here this one.
This shit will be crazy.
And for the last time.
I wonder if ass will burn as well. How do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes?
Yeah.
It will be my first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
And I know it's the last the last time you need to pop a mini.
A what?
A mini from Fortnite, you know? No. The last time if you eat it and you feel it, you must be just to take a mini, like Fortnite, you know? That's a mini. When you pop this, you heal a little bit. Trust me.
Is it fucking Minecraft slang?
No, it was Fortnite slang.
Fortnite slang?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. You ready? You're ready.
Hugo, now your turn.
What? No. Okay.
Do you first and then I do, okay?
Okay, the last one, it says, what the fuck? What the fuck is the last stage?
But don't overreact, okay?
Please, I hate it when people say that.
What?
I hate overreact. I hate spiciness, and my
That's okay, Hugo. I understand.
my body is not.
Okay. Okay, sorry. What?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Let's go. You first, though.
Why? No.
I ate first before. Why are you laughing?
Oh. Because of your. Okay, sorry.
That's crazy.
Okay, I eat this alone.
No, I will eat that too.
Okay, then put it. Okay. I don't see it.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
I have it in my hand.
Ich werde jetzt für die nächsten 10 Minuten nicht
Do
mehr
you
reden.
want to do it together?
When I put it in, you put it also in. Okay?
I can put it in your mouth and you can put it in my mouth.
It's also possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But you gotta open the mouth.
Yeah.
Because your mouth is
Yeah.
closed.
Oh, hell no, bro.
Bro. It's crazy. Hugo, please. Hugo. I need help.
It's not that bad. I don't swallow it now, but okay, I swallow it now. 3, 2, 1. Huh? It's okay.
Hugo, we have 2 cameras out there. He's fine, guys. Hugo, but you said it's okay. W's for Hugo. W's. I think the most hot one was this one.
Yeah.
Let's eat one more.
Bro, das.
Oh, he's so sweet.
Oh, you popped the mini.
Oh.
But the last one was not
As spicy as the middle one. The middle one was crazy.
Das vorletzte war viel schlimmer. Also das ist... Oh, hell no. But this is longer, you know? My tongue is on fire right now. I cannot speak.
One more?
No.
Yeah.
No.
One more.
No.
You go.
No.
Just one more.
No.
Let's go in the middle one.
No.
These were the worst ones.
Oh.
Let's try it.
No.
Come on.
No.
No, Hugo. Shall we take one more? It looks like it was not enough. Like it was not enough of suffer. For so many, like, sobs.
No, but it is...
You
Digga, die
see?
Zunge brennt so krass, das ist crazy. You don't feel your tongue?
I don't feel it, Hugo, but I think the matter is it's better that we can accomplish that together. We can accomplish that together, you know? Like real cool people.
Which one is it?
The middle one.
But why?
Okay, let's go this one then.
No, why?
So it's fun.
Give me all of them.
No.
Give me all.
No.
Give me all.
No.
No, it's not a good idea. No, you're right. Give me just one.
You're sure? I don't want to force you.
Give me one. You know. What? Yes.
Okay, you see? He wants himself.
Yeah.
Or shall we say no?
Please give me now because it's all burning. Please. I want it.
Okay, Briny Chat Plus, if we should give him one more.
Bro.
You see, they don't want you to suffer.
No, you must. Yeah, now. Yeah. Do you see one minus? Hey, give me one, please.
No, and it's okay.
No!
Well,
Give me! I want this, dude. This was tasty.
look, chat. I can eat for him the hardest one.
No.
Just for you.
No, give me.
I'll eat the hardest.
Give the hardest. That's not the hardest. Then
Okay.
eat this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll eat this one.
Give me also.
No, you don't.
No.
You don't. I don't want you to suffer. Take the
No,
small
no,
one.
give me. I don't suffer.
No,
Please.
You go.
I need this, please.
No,
Please.
I'm afraid that you will not make it.
No, I make it. I'm hard.
You're hard. Okay, you take whatever you want. As you wish.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. What? Okay. What do you mean by that?
No, I'm
Like, what do you mean by
in
that?
Germany say ich bin hart.
Oh, okay. What
Hard.
it means?
It's like strong.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright.
No, you don't have to eat it. What a sigma. What a sigma. Hugo, honestly. You're such a sigma. That's insane. Oh, Jesus, that's insane. I was about to say you're doing great. He fucking grew up on stream.
It's okay.
You just up like you. I will speak in your language. You leveled up. You're now better. You're now him.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, Hugo. Now you're hard.
I'm hard. Was a good idea to take ice.
Absolutely.
That was the carry.
Yeah. Yes.
That was the carry.
Yeah.
Oh, we can do a game. We can mix all the nuts and then one of us take one. And we don't
I'll
know.
take the gimbal. I will take it. I'll take it. Let's go.
And now shake it. Okay. Now take one.
Can I have a mini?
Yeah.
Shit is going to be crazy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What is this word? The M? What is
Mund?
Uh-huh.
Nein, Mount.
Ah, your mouth.
Yeah, mouth, sorry.
A mount. Don't look at them and
Yeah.
pick up one because they also have colors.
Okay. Oh.
You just took the darkest one.
Yeah.
Hugo.
Yeah.
You picked up the darkest one. You took the gimbal. I can eat it. You can give it to me.
That's okay.
Okay, just
No, I give you another one. That is mine.
You sure?
I give you another one.
Sure?
A little bit brighter.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, take it. It's good?
Oh,
What?
it was okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Sigma.
Easy. Oh. No, it's okay. It was nothing.
Who's?
What did you say? Kuss?
They fucking spam it.
Yeah, Kuss. Yeah,
Yeah.
because you said it now.
I read it in chat.
Yeah, but...
Ah, okay.
Yeah, okay, but it was It was not that deep. The challenge. What?
No, it's all full in this now.
And no one of us.
Puked.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you. I've seen your previous clips.
Oh yeah. Do you want to see? Do you want to see a photo of me? It's a frame. It's a frame where I eat the hot chip. Do you need a mini?
No.
I have one more mini.
No. I would like to have a water.
Oh no, you want the mini.
Okay then. I want mini then.
I one time eat the hot chip, and there was one frame on my stream where I puked, and you see I stand up while I'm puking, and you see the line of the puke. You want to see?
No.
Okay.
What makes you think that I won?
What?
What makes you think that I won?
I don't know.
Why would I want to see that? Okay.
Okay, I would see it, but close your eyes. Ich kann es nicht mal im Stream zeigen, glaube ich. Digga, dieses Foto ist so krass. Okay, it's okay, you can open. You can open, it's okay. It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Phew. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, I need to go home now.
Yeah.
Damn.
Can you look when is your flight going?
I don't remember. I can look and I can text you later.
Okay.
Hugo, my stomach hurts now. Does your hurt?
No.
Mine hurt a lot. My stomach hurt a lot, like for real. Does it
Yeah,
hurt for you too?
wait till you go to toilet. Then it's
does
gonna
it
be
actually
tough.
burn?
Yeah.
Burn.
Yeah.
Jesus. And
Maybe
for
you're
how
lucky.
long?
Maybe you're lucky. I have 3 times I eat a hot chip, and just 1 time I had very, very burning ass.
Alright, I hope it's not gonna happen with me. Well, my dears, thank you guys. Oh, Hugo, can you put on the outfit full with the shoes?
Oh yeah.
Can I see that?
Yeah. But you
Chat, hold on. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Hugo?
Yeah.
Damn, macho. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
I just need a chain.
The what?
A chain.
Okay, damn. Go a little further to them to see the shoes. Holy moly.
Chat, is das tough?
Damn. Damn. You look, stand up more.
Yeah.
Like show more. Where are you sitting down?
Yeah, I don't know.
Just like look, like walk around to show them full the outfit. Look, stop on the back. Look at
Can you
them.
turn on the light? Wait.
I don't know. Oh yeah, the perfume. With the perfume. Yes.
Oh my god, it's hot because of the thing.
Now the perfume. You're where are you aiming? It was just going different way, like that. Did you break it?
No, it's good.
Okay. Import your money. Oh, 10 out of 10.